So it has been a while since we've been doing smoke alarm testing videos, and we've been falling way behind on smoke alarm testing. Now, you already know what smoke alarm testing is. However, I just want to let you know, just in case you happen to forget, so that way you memorize it easily and help save yourself and the others around you. So basically, there are two types of sensors. One is photoelectric, and the other is ionization. Now, photoelectric detectors often respond faster to smoldering fires, so it has a beam of light, and when larger smoke particles enter through the beam of light, then this will sound an alarm, while ionization detectors respond to fast flaming fires, which will be done using the use of radioactive particles. Now, I have four photoelectrics and six ionization detectors. So, six ionization detectors, the four of them are old and the two of them are new. Now, the four photoelectric detectors are still new. It's just that they've been around for days and weeks, and they have not been tested for a very long time. And I'm pretty sure you guys really want to see the smoke alarms going off again, so I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. Anyways, now before I get into the smoke alarm testing, I just want to let you know that the Universal Sensing Plus, as you can see, they say multi-criteria detection. And if you go on the Kidde detectors, they do not say multi-criteria detection. That is because the Kidde, it's still a good fire safety unit. However, it really only just produces one criteria smoke detectors. Sure, there are still good detectors, but they only serve one purpose. And of course, they can still serve as a multi-criteria detection with Kidde as well. However, they're mostly just one criteria detection because, you know, like a multi-criteria detection often comes with smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, and this one, obviously it's smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, but it's not really much found in any of the common places you would go to. And these Kidde detectors, they're just one criteria. However, Universal Sensing Plus, it actually commonly produces multi-criteria detection in smoke detectors. Like, let's say smoke, fire, and carbon monoxide, it can detect both smoke, the flames, as well as carbon monoxide. And a smoke and fire alarm, well, guess what? It can detect both smoke and the flames. And this one, smoke and fire alarm, it can also detect both smoke and the flames. And this one has a special carbon monoxide feature, the multi-criteria detection. In fact, it should be named Elite Multi-Criteria Detection. And the reason why I say that is because smoke, fire, and carbon monoxide, right? Yeah. So, anyways, without further ado, let's just get into the video. The test. Starting off with the Kidde KNCOPED.
Fire.
Wait for the carbon monoxide round.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Warning, carbon monoxide. It's a warning. Let's go ahead and test this Kidde ionization detector. It is the I-1030. Wait for it. Now let's go ahead and try out these Kidde photoelectric 30 Tenels. Now, I'm definitely not going to test these two because then they'll just beep 3 times in 16 rows, and that's why. Now, I'll go ahead and test the Universal Sensing Plus multi-criteria detection smoke, fire, and carbon monoxide alarm. 3, 2, 1. Now, let's head over to the carbon monoxide alarms, skipping all 4 of those old ionization detectors. Here we are. It is the 2 Kidde just carbon monoxide alarms. These are only carbon monoxide alarms. One, the LTE screen one, and the other, the normal one. Let's test out both. Carbon monoxide alarms are really crucial, especially when detecting dangerous invisible gas that you cannot sense. Alright. Also, before I end the video, I highly recommend that you have Universal Sensing Plus alarms inside the area where you are at. So that way if you feel uncomfortable with other things like the flames or carbon monoxide or something like that, not just smoke, then these multi-criteria detection alarms are there for you. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, have a great day, and remember, stay smart and stay safe.